Original side mentioning.
Yes, call
New
the
motions, item number 1.
May it please your lordship, my lord. This is, my lord, an application under section 74 of the Indian Trust. Last occasion, my service, my lord, was incomplete, and that's the reason why your lordship has directed us. My lord, we have done it, my lord. We have effected service, my lord, on all the trustees, my lord.
No one appearing today.
It seems so, my lord. But, my lord, as on date, my lord, I want an, my lord, urgent interim order, my lord, in the nature of an injunction, my lord, restraining, my lord, the trustees to appoint any new trustees, my lord, in place or, my lord, of the trustee, my lord, who has expired. My lord.
What is your locus?
Yes. Now, my lord, before, my lord, I place, my lord, all the facts. Your lordship is, my lord, aware that this is, my lord, a trust, my lord, popularly known as Trust Estate of Motilal Sheel, my lord. Now, my lord, this Trust Estate, my lord, has, my lord, plenty of, my lord, immovable property, though it is a private trust, my lord. But, my lord, plenty of immovable properties are there, my lord. Other, my lord, assets are also there. By, my lord, 28 settlers, my lord. Now, my lord, the trust deed, the English translation of the trust deed, my lord, starts from page 10.
What is the public element in this writ petition?
I'm sorry, my lord.
What is the public element in this writ petition? How
This
does
is
it come
not a writ petition, my lord. This is an simplicited application under section 74 of the Indian Trust Act. And this matter has been specially assigned to your lordship, my lord, because this matter, my lord, had appeared before Indian Trust Act.
maybe it is assigned, but then please tell me how this writ petition is maintained.
This is not a writ, and that consideration
আছে ইন্ডিয়ান ট্রাস্ট অ্যাক্ট আমাদের না আমার মনে হয়
কোন থেকে বার কর
I don't think we have.
মামলা করতে এসে বসো 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 বসো
ওখানে ডাকো ওগুলো তো দেখবে তো আমার ফার্স্ট অফ
my lord. My lord, may I just hand over, my lord? Kindly ignore. Kindly takes section 73 first, my lord. Of new trustees on death. This is, my lord, exactly appointed a trustee disclaims, or any trustee either original or substituted dies, or is for a continuous period of 6 months. We are not concerned with the other aspects, my lord. Kindly takes from or a new trustee instrument of trust appointed. No such person or no such person able and willing to act, if he be alive and competent to contract, or the surviving or continue trustee, if they all the like consent, the last retiring trust making it on an appointment of a new. These are the two aspects by which, my lord, a new trustee can be appointed under section 73. Now, my lord, this power is vested, my lord, under. If it is not possible, then comes, my lord, section 74. Now, kindly takes, my lord, section 74 for once. একটা note. The beneficiary may, without instituting a suit, apply by petition to a principal civil court of original jurisdiction for the appointment of a trust. A appointment of a trustee trust, my lord, can
Where is that found?
the principal civil court of original
The
jurisdiction.
property belongs to which place?
My lord, it is, my lord, vested, my lord, all over West Bengal, including Calcutta. And registered office of the trust is within the jurisdiction of this honorable court, my lord. Disqualification or any impossibility arises under section 73. My lord, any person can apply before this court, my lord, under section 74
For appointment.
for appointment. Now, my lord, kindly takes, my lord, eta kholo. The other aspect, my lord, while appointing, the court should take into consideration, my lord, two aspects. Rule for selecting new trustees. In appointing new trustee, the court shall have regard. The first point is to the wishes of the author of the trust, or to be inferred from the instrument of the trust. The second aspect is to the wishes of the person, if any, empowered to appoint new trustee. The third aspect is the question of appointment, whether the appointment will promote or impede the execution of the trust, where there are more beneficiaries than one, to the interest of all such beneficiaries. So, four, my lord, aspects has to be considered by this court, my lord, while appointing a new trustee under section 74. So, my lord, first is impossibility of section 73. The second is, if there is an impossibility under section 73, anyone can apply under section 74. Now, over here, in this instant case, my lord, a beneficiary under the trust has, my lord, come up with an application. Kindly takes, my lord, the trust deed, which starts from page 10. My lord, I'm not going to trouble your lordship with the other aspect. I'll straight away, my lord, come to the main, my lord, appointing or guidelines, my lord. Page 19.
Yes.
Be it known, the second paragraph, my lord, be it known that the trustees appointed shall duly carry out the direction contained in the said trust, and on the expiry of every 5 years, new trustees shall be appointed. And the newly nominated trustees shall, as trustees, remain in the possession of the said properties vested with rights of the deed of trust. Save and except the period when Srijukta Babu Krishna Lal Shil shall remain as trustee, the total number of trustees shall not be more than 10% at other times. So, my lord, at the time when Babu Krishna Lal Shil was there, it should or it ought to be more than 10. But in other times, my lord, it has to be 10. Three persons from the family branch of late Pannalal Shil, 4 persons from the family branch of Gobindolal Shil, and 3 persons from the family branch of late Kanailal Shil shall be appointed trustees. Now, this is very important. So, my lord, there are 3 trustees, my lord, 3 branches, my lord, named in the trust deed, my lord. One is, my lord, Pannalal Shil. The second name is Gobindolal Shil, and the third name is, my lord, Kanailal Shil. Now, we are concerned with the family branch of Gobindolal Shil. Now, your lordship will further find, my lord, I will, my lord, go through all the aspects in the trust deed, that, my lord, for the two branches of Pannalal Shil and Kanailal Shil, it is by voting. The appointment is by voting. But, my lord, from the family branch of Gobindolal Shil, it is by rotation. Your lordship will find.
Says you are claiming from the branch of Maniklal Shil.
No, I am from the Gobindolal Shil. Oh, I'm told, my lord, I'll just refer, my lord, the genealogical.
It says so.
Yes, I'll refer the genealogical table, my lord. That will, my lord, clear all the aspect. But before that, my lord, I'll just place, my lord, the. Now, kindly takes, my lord, the other lines of the trust deed.
If you think the matter needs to be
We have served them first service, my lord, at the office of the trustees, my lord.
that was
They
not
have
accepted.
received it.
That was not
Secondly, my lord, we have also served upon each and every trustees, my lord, the surviving trustees who are there, my lord. Everyone has received them.
serve a further notice intimating the adjourned date.
My lord, in the meantime, an injunction.
I'll make a recording to the effect that it will be heard even in absence of the respondents on the
And
next.
in the meantime, my lord, an interim protection, my lord.
There is no apprehension at the moment.
My lord, there is.
Next Thursday.
My lord, kindly, my lord. 2 months have passed, my lord. There is a possibility, my lord.
2 months have passed and nothing has been done.
My lord, in the meantime, my lord, vacation was there.
You can
Durga
take
Puja
it
was there, my lord. Kindly takes into consideration.
next Thursday.
My lord,
I don't think
an interim protection till next,
necessary till
my lord, till next Thursday, my lord, an interim protection. Till next Thursday. My lord, instead of Thursday, can it be on Friday? বলছে liberty to mention করে
if at all anything
my lord,
happens.
if
Because 2 months they are sitting.
my lord, very
silently.
candidly speaking, my lord,
Once
if
they receive notice, I don't think they'll take further steps.
my lord, and interim protection, my lord, till the matter, my lord, comes up.
Necessary.
Kindly, my
Not
lord,
necessary. I would have granted if it was necessary. I don't think it is necessary. Nothing has happened. for
because
last 2 months.
what I'm apprehending is, my lord, very candidly speaking, my lord, I'm not in the board, my lord. I'm just a mere beneficiary, my lord, who have come up before, my lord, before your lordship, my lord, for my appointment. Now, my lord, if the trustees, my lord, in the meantime, my lord, appoint a trustee, new trustee, my lord, we would not, my lord, have any knowledge about this.
Very good. Affidavit of service filed by the petitioner is taken on record. Paragraph none appears for the respondents despite service. Paragraph. Let the matter appear under the same heading on. You want to come back on 30th?
13th?
Thursday week.
Thursday week.
30th November 2023. Paragraph, it is made clear that the matter shall be taken up for consideration on the adjourned date, even in absence of the respondents. But please ensure service of notice.
Once more.
Yes, serve notice upon them.
We'll annex the order, my lord.
Paragraph. In the meantime, comma, the respondents are restrained from appointing any new trustee in the place of Omyonath
Omyolalchi.
Sai S-A-I-N, comma, since deceased, till the adjourned date.
Grateful, my lord.
ওখানে একটা লাইন অ্যাড করুন, none appears বলেছি। So let the matter.
আনিস বাবা।
এইটা 13 November 2023 পর একটা লাইন অ্যাড করুন, প্যারাগ্রাফ করে। The petitioner is directed to serve notice upon the respondents intimating the adjourned date. তারপরে it is made clear.
Grateful, my lord. My lord, may I take back?
Yes, please.
My
Next.
lord, I'll ensure, my lord, another copy of the book, my lord, on the next.
Item number 2.
You wanted to use an exception.
I will not use it.
You will not use? Very well.
Your
What
questions
is
of
the matter about?
this matter relates to my lord. I applied for a route which covers my lord 2 regions as well as my lord part of the route covering through another state. My contention, they rejected on the grounds that you have to apply before the regional transport authority and the state transport authority having no right to consider your application. Number, my contention is that section 69 subsection 2, which relates to such types of route,
Interstate.
not only interstate, but this is a route which covers a same state, but a portion of the route it covers the other states, then the state transport authority under the section 69 subsection 2. Is your lordship got it?
Yes.
Notwithstanding anything contained in subsection 1, the state government may, by notification in the official gazette, direct that in the case of any vehicle or vehicles proposed to be used in 2 or more regions lying in different states, the applications under that subsection shall be made to the state transport authority of the region in which the applicant decides at his principal place of business. Number,
The second proviso says it should be before the regional transport authority.
no, my lord, your lordship, second proviso. My lord,
Second proviso.
section 69 subsection 2. This is my lord non-obstantity clause, my lord. The lordship will find that section 69 subsection 2, notwithstanding anything contained in subsection 1.
The state government may, by notification,
That, my
direct.
lord,
Is there any
yes,
notification?
there is. Your lordship has already delivered a judgment on this particular issue. And my lord, the
Where is the notification?
my lord, what is it? My lord, this is the notification. I have made out a type copy also.
The applicant resides in West Bengal.
My lord. And the 2 regions, my lord, there one is the my lord, the Purbo Midnapur and another is Paschim Midnapur. And the part of the route, my lord, covers my lord, Chandoneshwar, that is in Odisha.
Orissa.
My lord, these are, and your lordship has already passed an order in another matter. May I place my lord, your lordship?
It has been rejected only on this ground.
Hold on. Your lordship will find at page, the last annexure. My lord, your lordship will find at page 29 of my petition. Easy, my lord. serial number eight, 85 ওয়ানটা কোথায় মানে serial number 85 so lots of the last column the applicant is the last line applicant is requested to approach the regional transport authority.
Approach appropriate RTA.
Regional transport. And your lordship will find they filed their report. They are also the respondents. Your lordship will find at page 6 of their report, paragraph 7. In the present case, the proposed route in which the petitioner has applied for permit is from Masaria, Purbo Midnapur to Jhalda, Paschim Midnapur. Thus, it is apparent that the concerned route is covering two regions, two districts, and thus, in terms of section 69 of said Act 1988, the application for grant of permit is required to be made to the Regional Transport Authority of the region in which the major portion of the proposed route lies.
But another state is concerned. Where is your
That,
application?
your lordship,
Where is your application for permit?
one of this application I have annexed.
Page 18.
Yes.
Page 18, madam. 1
18.
1 24.
Your lordship,
It is Chandoneshwar also.
yes,
Orissa. Yes.
yes.
Let us
That
hear
is
the
7
state.
kilometers within
Yes.
the state of Odisha. Now, my lord, another,
So
yes,
the,
yes.
yes, but
the
even
another
1
aspect
kilometer
also there, my lord,
matters.
the lordship will find another aspect that the a coordinate bench, my lord.
Mr. Mukherjee, I think nothing is required. The notification is sufficient.
But this notification is there, and my lord,
Let
another,
us hear the
yes,
state.
that also, my lord, clarified, my lord. The another coordinate bench, it has already clarified in 2018, as your lordship. Justice Tandon's judgment is there, my lord. And
আলাদা পয়েন্ট 2013 আগে করেছিল
বুঝলি কোথায় 2013 আগে 2013 নোটিফিকেশন কে এখানে ইনক্লুড করেছে There also, my lord, I must clarify, my lord. They are the questions related to they are also rejected the applications of the ground of 69(1). You have to apply before the regional transport authority of the region in which the applicant resides or the principal place of business. Now, my lord, that another contention was taken that a notification issued by the state government in 2013. They have taken also that point, and their lordships, his lordships also held that notification is not applicable in respect of the routes which covers not only the two regions as well as if it is covers the other Order. And my lord, in their report, they have also taken this point, the 2013 notifications.
But this is concerned with the same state, isn't it? Not different states.
My lord.
So this has nothing to do with this.
Nothing to do, my lord.
Admittedly, the present petition pertains to Odisha and West Bengal both.
No, no.
Let us hear the state. Yes.
This is in respect of a route which covers two regions of state of Bengal,
And
and
one
a
region
portion of the
Odisha.
route,
Yes.
while traversing, it crosses the part
Odisha.
of the
Yes.
Odisha that is of within 7.
Let us hear the state. Yes, Mr. Devra.
First of all, my lord,
Covers two states.
two still nothing. No, I'm
Yes.
coming. I'm coming. Definitely, I'm coming. Lordship, kindly see. I am not traveling, my lord. Page 18 first.
1-8.
18.
Yes.
Of writ petition.
Yes, the application.
210. Kindly see. Down to Masaria, Puro Bedipur to Jhalda, via Chandaneshwar, Odisha and West Bengal state corridor 7 kilometers. It is the admitted fact 7 kilometers only. Then, my lord, lordship kindly turn to my lord. I am not turn to my report.
Yes.
My report. My report only. Lordship kindly see. Paragraph 8.
Yes.
Furthermore, section 88 of the Motor Vehicles Act 1988 for validation of permit for use outside region in which granted, second proviso of subsection 1 of section 88 of the said act provides as under, provided further that where both the starting point and the terminal of a route are situated within the same state, but part of such route lies in any other state and the length of such part does not exceed 16 kilometers. 16 kilometers. Here, my lord, only 7 kilometers. Not the exceed of 16 kilometers. This is the issue, my lord. There is no requirement of counter signature. If I issue
Is the application for grant of permit or
permit,
for counter
no, no,
signature?
he can apply before the RTA Paschim Midnapur, Pura Midnapur. What is the difficulty?
He cannot, Mr. Devra. Please come to your report itself.
Yes. Lordship,
You have-
then does not exceed 16 kilometers, the permit shall be valid in the other state.
This is with regard to counter signature, not
In-
issuance of permit.
I'm coming. In respect of part of which the route is in that or other state, notwithstanding the such permit has not been countersigned by the state transport authority.
This is counter signature.
Then, my lordship kindly see, in the present case, the concerned route against which the petitioner applied for a grant of permit touches the state of West Odisha, but within the specified limit of 16 kilometers.
So no counter signature is required, but
Yes.
issuance of permit is required.
Then, my
And the
lord,
application is for issuance of permit, not for counter signature.
no, then, my lord, unless, my lord, Odisha, where we are agreed upon, where the reciprocal transport activity is present, then, my lord, state transport authority has power. Otherwise, no, there is no
Please
power.
see the
to grant.
notification.
Lordship kindly see section 692. And regarding notification is concerned, I am submitted something, my lord. Entire things has been, my lord, submitted before the honorable court, my lord. Justice Dipankar Datta, as Justice Jain was here, my lord. Dipankar Datta, my lord, long hearing was there. Yeah, after that, my lord, notification was, he has declared notification was intra-virus.
Which notification was declared?
That is 2013 notification.
13 notification is not applicable at all in this case. We are on the 1995 notification,
1995 notification, 1999, I do not know.
which is in terms of 69(2).
State of West Bengal notification.
Yes.
দেখলে? কোথায় দিচ্ছি চোখে?
2013 notification pertains to the same state, not different states.
My lord.
Same state. Here also
Whether
same
it is
state.
ultra-virus or not is not. No, here there are two
Only
different
touching,
states.
Only touching is not require any counter signature. Why?
This
why
is
such
not
a-
for counter signature, Mr. Debra. This is for issuance of
In,
permit.
their floodgate is opening, my lord. In pursuant to so and so, the governor has been pleased to decide that all applications for permit made under section so and so of any vehicle proposed to be lying in West Bengal and in any other state shall be made to the State Transport Authority West Bengal. That notification is redundant in view of the 2013 notification.
2013 is not with regard to two states, Mr. Debra. I repeat.
I am not.
It is only with regard to one single state.
2013 notification.
No. One.
And also I have handed over that too, the judgment delivered by
2013 you have not handed over. It is in the judgment.
No, judgment is not applicable in this present case. Which is proposed to
more so the
one.
Lying with the same state.
your
2013.
lordship will find the from this notification the
They are
paragraph.
lying in the same
So lordship kindly see
No.
the
That is
मतलब
7
para
kilometers in
4
another
para
state.
4 recital para 4
In the
in the notification 2013 notifications. Your lordship will find now therefore your lordship kindly
yes, I've seen that.
Vale.
I've read that.
Vale.
Mr. Mukherjee, no further submission is
Vale,
required
vale.
from your end. 2013 is when the regions are in the same state. So it is not applicable in this case. This case, it covers two states, whether 7 kilometers or 1 kilometers or 0.5 kilometers. Because this is not for counter signature, this is for issuance of permit. You are submitting on a counter signature. If it is less than 16 kilometers, counter signature is not required. Settled position. But this is not for counter signature, this is for issuance of permit. Can the vehicle ply even without a permit? That 7 kilometers in another state? Cannot.
That is
and more so the applications is one part and the counter signature is another part.
Absolutely.
Application for grant of permit, it has been enumerated in section 69 and that is in respect of application for grant of stage carriage permit.
That is exactly
Where
what
has
I
to be
said.
made. Yes, madam.
Yes.
That and section 88 is another part where the counter signature when has to be granted or when has not to be granted. But there is no scope of other way.
Section 88 has no bearing.
No,
to this,
no role to play, Miller, here.
Then this is my submission. I am not developing my case on the other way. This is the fact. The facts remain that I submitted.
Please reconsider. In the light of the observation made in the notification.
Right.
Heard learned counsels for the parties. Correct. The order impugned turning down the
Same order may be passed. Lordship already passed an order 20th July 2023.
yes, that has been placed before this court.
I have handed over.
Route also same, I think.
20th July, yes, the route is also the same.
Chalda to you.
The order number, the decision impugned.
But only one indulgence, Malad, as they have already filed the report. They have taken the point of that Malad 69.2 and the notification of 2013 will applicable. Malad, that has to be cleared.
The taken by the State Transport Authority, West Bengal, in its meeting held on the same date of meeting also, 28th April 2023, is assailed in the writ petition. Stop. The application for issuance of permit filed by the petitioner was turned down by the authority by the decision impugned on the ground that since the route applied for originates and terminates in the same district,
Well, not same district, but same
in the
state.
same region,
Same district.
no, the ground stated is terminates in the same region, district.
Two region.
No, page 29.
Yes, this is possibly wrong. Well, this appears to be the two region. Because the Poschim, well, this is admitted, the two, but they are in their report, they have stated in two regions. In their report, paragraph 7. And your lordship will find that.
Let me record what they have written, then I'll clarify. On the turned down on the ground, originates and terminates in same region and number of regions is 1, the applicant has been requested to apply before the Regional Transport Authority for issuance of permit. Paragraph. It is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that the State Transport Authority West Bengal has been empowered to grant permit in favor of the petitioner in the inter-regional route Jhalda within bracket Paschim Medinipur to Masaria within bracket Purbo Medinipur via Chandoneshwar within bracket Odisha, ODISHA, by a notification issued by the Government of West Bengal, Transport Department on 6th November 1995. The petitioner seeks reconsideration of his application by the authority and issuance of permit in his favor. Paragraph. Placing reliance on the report in the form of affidavit submitted on behalf of the respondents, learned counsel for the respondents submits that since the proposed route is from Masaria to Jhalda, covering 2 districts, the petitioner ought to have applied before the Regional Transport Authority in terms of Section 69 of the Motor Vehicles Act 1988. Stop. Referring to Section 88(1).
882.
The 88(1).
88(1). 88(1) of the Act of 1988, learned counsel submits that since part of the route lying in the other state does not exceed 16 kilometers, comma, the permit shall be valid in the other state, notwithstanding the fact that it has not been countersigned by the State Transport Authority or the Regional Transport Authority of the other state. Paragraph. It appears that the petitioner applied for stage carriage permit in the route Masaria within bracket Purbo Medinipur to Jhalda within bracket Poshchim Medinipur via Chandoneshwar within bracket Odisha, ODISHAP. Bracket close. Stop. The notification issued by the Government of West Bengal, Transport Department on 6th November 1995 in terms of Section 69 within bracket 2 of the Act of 1988 envisages that all applications for permit made under Section 69 within bracket 1 of the Motor Vehicles Act 1988 for any vehicle or vehicles proposed to be used in 2 or more regions lying in West Bengal and any other state shall be made to the State Transport Authority, West Bengal by an applicant residing in West Bengal or having his principal place of business in West Bengal. Stop. It is not in dispute that the petitioner is a resident of West Bengal and has Section 88(1) of the Act of 1988 deals with plying of vehicles where the starting and terminal point of the vehicle, terminal point of the route is within the same state and the vehicle does not traverse another state beyond 16 kilometers. Stop. The provision says that in such case, countersignature of the state flying the vehicle the petitioner has applied for issuance of permit laid down under Section 88(1) of the Act has no manner of application herein. Paragraph. On 8th March 2030. For permits for all kinds of vehicles that would ply present in view of the notification issued on again notification में date करूँ? 96 6th November 1995, the State Transport Authority is the only authority who has been empowered to consider the application filed by the petitioner under section 69(2) of the Act of 1988. Paragraph. In view of the above, the decision taken by the State Transport Authority, West Bengal, in its meeting held on 28th April 2023, insofar as the petitioner is concerned, is set aside, stop, paragraph. The State Transport Authority, being respondent number?
Two.
Being the second respondent herein, is directed to reconsider the application of the petitioner in terms of the provision laid down under section 69(2) of the Act of 1988, as well as the notification dated 95 in notification. And within everything is over. Communication of this order upon within a week thereof. The writ petition being WPS such and such is subject to compliance with all
Much okay.
necessary formalities.
I have to say first, Shubho Vijay and Shubho Dikabha.
Thank you. Same to all.
Same.
যদি অসুবিধা হয় দেখে নেবেন
This writ petition is at my instance, Mulad.
Yes.
An application was, though had not made the corporation a party, Mulad, they
Where is your application? Have you filed your
I
application?
have filed my application. to be added as a party.
এটা GA1
G1. Every service.
on consent.
No, my lord. I have objections, my lord. Because this honorable court as well as Supreme Court, my lord, has held that the corporation, the beneficiary of a acquisition, my lord, cannot be a party to the arbitration. The Supreme Court has held this, my lord, and upheld by this
Come
court.
back with an affidavit.
No, my lord. Pure question of law, my lord. Two judgments I will be citing. One judgment, my lord, I had the occasion to appear along with Mr. Ghosh. He was opposing me, my lord.
No. The question is,
Fine,
my lord,
I'll come
whether,
back
my
to
lord, he is inclined to, my lord, get my client, my lord, to be added as a party or not.
No,
I don't.
He's raising objections, so please place your
When
case.
he's raising objection without, my lord, they filing any opposition
Yes,
to this.
pure question of law.
Yes.
Then your lordship, my lord, takes it of some other date, my lord. Because, my lord, I thought, my lord, parties to be added as a party. If he, my lord, does not, my lord, want to file, or my lord, he is not inclined that I should be added as a party, then, my lord, he is raising objection that I should not be made a party.
He can raise oral objections.
No, he is, my lord, making, of course, my lord, he can raise an objection that I should not be made a party. And that claim compensation, my lord, he's, my lord, making that pair because I was in occupation, premises was requisition at our for our purpose. Determine (3 o'clock).
My lord, 23rd have
The
some.
30th, my lord, I have some difficulty, my lord. I will not be coming, my lord, on that week, my lord.
My lord, may I say this, my lord? There was a vociferous, my lord, objection from my end.
He has. On prayer of the applicant, the matter is adjourned.
7.
দাদা
ওনাকে